my lover, you are my friend. You're the beginning, Lord, you are the center, and you are beyond the end. You are the color of the rainbow. You're the pure white light in me. You are the river. You are the mountain, Lord. You are the sky. You are the sea. And I love you so. You help me see you in all, to see you in me. I'm in you and you're in me. I'm in you and you're in me. The branches of a tree, they may be many, but the tree, my friends, you know is one. The petals of a lotus, have you noticed, are many, but the lotus is one. Gurus and swamis, teachers are many, but the truth is one. Prophets, religions, Lord, there's so many, but God is one. And I love you so. You help me see you in all, to see you in me. And I'm in you and you're in me. I'm in you and you're in me. You are colleague. You are compassion. You're the divine mother, Mother Nature. And I want to touch you. I want to feel you. Lord, I want to be right by your side. I want to know you, love you. I want to serve you all the time, 'cause you're my mother, you're my father, you're my lover, you are my friend. You're the beginning, you're the center, and you are beyond the end. And I love you so. I love you so. Give it to me one more time. I love you so. You help me see you in all, just to see you in me. I'm in you and you're in me. Everywhere I look, I see. I'm in you and you're in me. Your love looking back at me. You make me so happy. Set my soul free. Holy, holy, holy. Divine, almighty. As it was in the beginning. I'm in you, Lord, you're in me. It makes me so happy.